Hi, this is tutorial 11a. This tutorial is actually to see how the variable is at work. Now, remember we did the program variable in 11a. Firstly, we need to create a variable and we call it click. Now, a variable can have any name, right? As long as you know what that variable is for. Now in this case I use click because I'm going to click the button, and each time I click the button here, right, the variable will be increased by 1 and the value will be displayed on the display panel on the EV3 brake. Alright, now next I need to download the program. Right, once I download, you can hear a downloading sound, and after downloading, the program is actually in progress. Now remember, when we started the program, on start, the first thing we set is to set and store a 0 into your variable, because each time the brake powered up, right, we initialize it to 0. What does it mean by initialize? Right, now initialize means reset everything and set the initial value to 0 for this case of this exercise. Alright, now after you set to 0, it will continue to display 0, right, until this button is pressed. This is called the up button. Right, now let's watch. If I press down on this up button, you'll notice that the score will, the variable, right, or the display will increase by 1. Now once I press this variable increase by 1, it will be stored as a new value into the variable called click. Now each time I click this up value, it will add on by a number 1 to the previous number and restore it again under the variable click. Okay, I press again 2. If I continue to do so, the number will keep on increasing until I exit the program by pressing this button at the left location of the brake. Now once I press the button, the green flag will stop blinking. Now anytime the green flag is blinking, flickering, means that the program is in progress. Okay, once I press this button here, the whole program execution will be terminated and the light will turn into a solid non-blinking status. Alright, now once I press the button, you exit the program, it will go back to the main program, right, and the blinking of the green status light have stopped. Okay, now that is the implementation of the variable exercise 11a or tutorial 11a. Thank you. I will see you again on the next exercise, which is 11b.